guys, my name is Amanda. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, babies. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I style my knotless braids. And yeah, so this is 3 weeks going on to 4 weeks old knotless braids. You know, still look good. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I style them. So let's get it. Also, the tutorial for this hairstyle will be linked down below, so go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe, and let's begin. Okay, so for this tutorial, you're going to need some scrunchies or scrunchies. Style 1, I take pieces from the front, like this. So I take pieces from the front, and I carry it all the way back. I take a hair tie, and I tie it in the back. And then this is the hairstyle. I bring some of the hair to the front, but this is the style. So next hairstyle. So I take the hair to the side like this. I'm going to take pieces from the front and pieces at the other side. I'm going to take a hair tie. You want to ensure that this side is like flat. And I'm going to tie it around the back. Like this. So it's giving a nice little side swoop. You know, hair can't come to the front and stuff. You know, bring hair around. You can have it in the back. Just leave it as it is, but it's just cute. Okay. So my next style. I'm going to take it all the way around. I'm also going to be doing a little plait here as well. Then I'm going to connect it with one that I did. I'm going to tie it with a hair tie. And then that's it. So nice little braid at the front. You got a braid right here. You can bring some of the hair to the front. To take some of the hair at the front. But ensure that it's even on each side. And I'm going to put on a hair tie. Like this, and then I'm going to take a hair from around the back, 2 pieces of hair. I'm going to wrap it around the braid. I'm going to wrap it around the ponytail, sorry. And this is just, you know, a cute little half down hairstyle. You know, and the wraparound give it a nice little height, so it's like, you know, it's like giving cute vibes. Okay. Then if you want to spice it up, you can pull a hair out. You can pull a hair out and give you a different look. So pull 2 pieces at the front like this. I'm going to take more hair at the front, like this. I try not to grab the hair too tight. You don't want to cause any tension. So I'm going to a nice half up, half down bun, so it gives another look. Really cute. And if you want, you can also take 2 pieces out at the front and give another vibe. Really nice, really cute. I am loving the hair color. It's the hair color for me. That brown and that black, it's giving. Okay. So a nice high ponytail, very high, you know. Nice high ponytail, really cute, you know. And if you want, you can spice it up. So I would normally grab pieces from the back and I wrap it around the braid. Nice little 90s vibe, like, you know. If you like, you can also put a scrunchie at the top if you don't want to wrap your hair around with the braids and stuff. But it's giving 90s vibe. I love it. It's very cute. Like, you know, you can fix your bun and position it how you like, but I like it like this. I like it really high right at the front, and it's really bringing out the cheekbones for me. It's the cheekbones for me. It's the brown and black braids for me. It's the brown coat with the brown. It's just like giving vibes. Like, I love this. This hands down has to be my favorite hairstyle because, like, you know, the time is really hot. A nice cute high bun, and you know, the hair is not on my back, it's not, you know, it's just up, and it's just like, okay guys, so these are my typical hairstyles when I do knotless braids. I hope you like them. I hope you do try out these hairstyles. Comment down below and tell me which hairstyle was your favorite one. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I do post videos every single Friday, so I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.